how to see locked profile on Facebook. Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to provide you with a guide or information how to do so. So let's just dive right into the video and find out if we can do it. So we can head over to Facebook application for that and go to one of the profile that you would like to basically view if it's locked. So I can head over to the profile. For example, let's say this is the profile. So let's head over to the profile. And the thing is, when you are headed over to the profile, a locked profile is a privacy feature on Facebook. And when someone locks their profile, only friends can see the full post and photos. And profile pictures and cover photos are limited to public view. You cannot see posts, photos, or stories unless you are friends. This feature is designed to protect privacy, so there is no legitimate way around it. So the only way is if the friend request is accepted. So to send a friend request, you can head over to the profile and tap on send friend requests, some kind of option, and tap on it. After that, if accepted, you will be able to see all of their posts according to their privacy settings. Profile picture or cover photo may still be visible public. You can just go and do so. And if you really want to be friends with them, you can even message them. If Messenger allows, you can tap on message option and ask them to respond to your friend request if they do not know you. And trying to bypass a locked profile violates Facebook's community standards, so you can protect your own privacy by locking your profile if desired. But unfortunately, we cannot view a locked profile for now. So we hope this video was helpful to you. Give this video a like if it was. Subscribe for more tips and tutorials.